Hope you're having a good week so far. Just wanted to make this real quick video to talk about NVIDIA today. Hopefully some of you caught this move. I definitely did. It was a great day. I'm going to put up the P&L right now. I made a 52% P&L for a $4,000 profit on NVIDIA, and this is essentially $4,000 in one day. I mean, I held overnight from yesterday, so I got in yesterday and I actually was losing yesterday, but I stayed in, added in a couple times. Today I even added in once more, and then as soon as it took off, I just closed my positions and made 4,000 bucks. So not bad, making $4,000 for a day's work. And so because of that, I just wanted to make this quick video to talk about a few of the little things that I was seeing on the charts and why I did what I did, and just why the daily high and low indicator is such an important indicator. It's so simple. I mean, it's not even really an indicator. It's just literally the price, the daily high and low. It is exactly what it says it is, and nothing more and nothing less. Yet so many times that level is a very important level, and you'll see that play out time and time again. And it played out that way today. So I'm gonna break it down real quick for you. It's not gonna be a long video. I'm just gonna do a quick little analysis of a few things that I saw and when I got in and why I did what I did, just to kind of give you a taste of what my price action analysis is like, and what my candlestick pattern analysis is like. So let's check that out now. Okay, here we are checking out NVIDIA, and I put this on the 15-minute chart because this makes it a little bit easier to see the areas that I'm talking about with a little bit less noise. Certainly less noise than what we'd have if we were looking at this on a 1-minute chart. But the reason that I wanted to do this video is to just show you how being able to interpret the candlesticks and understand important support and resistance levels is extremely important. There's a lot of different pieces of information that you can look at before you make any moves. Like some people just look at certain indicators, and other people look at different level 2 or whatever it is that they're looking at. For me, I simply look at the candlesticks and I interpret the price action on the candlesticks in relation to particular indicators, and based on that, that's what I use to make my moves. And so when we're looking at NVIDIA, the first thing that I want to point out is the daily high-low. So this was yesterday, this is today. Now, yesterday, this was the daily high-low of Friday, because today it's Tuesday, September 24th. Yesterday was Monday. That means that this daily high and low indicator right here is from Friday. So this was the low of the day on Friday. This was the high of the day on Friday. And so the most important thing to notice is that, take a look at this. So this was yesterday. This was Monday. I got in yesterday relatively close to the beginning of the day. Now, I was actually losing money at the beginning of the day yesterday. I was losing money right here, but I stayed in my position. And not only did I stay in my position, I added to my position. And then when we came down here and we based off of this low of day from Friday, I actually added in to my position. Came up, came back down, still didn't break the low of day, added in some more, and I just held. And it's not ideal. The ideal thing is to make all of your money in one day and get in and then get out within an hour and make all of your money for the day. But sometimes it doesn't work like that. And so yesterday for me, I was okay with losing money right here because I had a very, very strong feeling based on what the candlesticks had shown me in the previous days and the support and resistance levels that I had charted on the daily charts leading up to yesterday. I was fairly confident that we were not going to break this level. Now, yeah, the wicks broke below the level a couple times, but the actual close of the candles didn't break below the low of day. So that's what's important. It's not so important what the wicks do. What's more important is what the actual real bodies of the candles do. And you see the actual bodies of the candles did not break below this low of day from Friday. So anyway, fast forward to today. Again, same thing. In the morning, we broke up above yesterday's high of day, but I actually didn't even sell any of my position right here. I stayed in, actually added in one more time this morning because I was fairly confident that what we saw right here was actually going to happen. And then when this did happen, when this started taking off, during this entire move, I was just slowly peeling out my contracts. So I had about a total of 25 call option contracts on NVIDIA today when this move started. And from about this candle right here all the way up to, I think right here was like my final when I got out. I was closing my positions this whole time, just one by one, not getting out like 5 at a time or 7 at a time. I had 25 contracts. So this candle's going, it's just, sell one, couple minutes later, sell another one, couple minutes later, sell another one, couple minutes later, sell another one. Now, if we want to break it down into the 1 minute chart, you can see this whole time, every couple minutes, I was just selling another contract, sell. This is a gift right here. When you see this happening, you absolutely have to take advantage of this and get out of your position and take some profit. Now, I was lucky because I had piled on so heavily into my position that I had a ton of contracts that I could just slowly close out as this entire move happened. And that's exactly what I did. And that's why I was able to make $4,000 today and a 50% P&L on my trade. And it was all because I used my knowledge of candlestick analysis, price action analysis, and support and resistance. And I combined all of that together, and this is the result of that. And this is what happens just about every day. So if you don't already have my books or my course, pick those up. And like I've been saying for the last couple of weeks, I'm working on a dedicated candlestick chart pattern analysis course right now that I'm in the middle of recording, and I'm getting close to finishing that. So once that's done, you can get that course, and that'll be the really truly in-depth course that will show you every single little thing that I'm picking up on when I'm looking at these candlesticks. Now, the whole point of this YouTube channel is to make shorter, more easily digestible videos, so I don't want to get into the minutia of every single minute-by-minute thing that I'm seeing. But on my actual course that I'm going to have for sale, I'm going to go very, very in-depth and get very specific on all of the things that I'm seeing as I'm taking a look at these types of trades every day. So stay tuned for that because that'll be coming soon. But until then, I'll be making more content on the YouTube channel. So check back every couple of days. You'll see some more stuff here. All right, hope you enjoyed that quick little breakdown. Like I was saying in my screen share, I'm going to have my new course available soon, so stay tuned for that. Once I release that, it's going to be, I think, really helpful for a lot of people who are looking at trying to make a little bit more sense out of what the bodies and the wicks of the candlesticks mean and how they relate to each other and how they relate to different important levels on charts. So that's coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. But until next time, I hope some of you caught that move on NVIDIA today. If you did, congratulations. It was a fantastic move. It's not something that happens all the time, moves like that. And that's why whenever you do see moves like that, you absolutely have to take advantage of them while they are there, because they won't always show up that way. But until next time, good luck with the rest of your week, and see you soon. Bye-bye.